This is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your PlayStation 5 that randomly just turns off on you or something like that. This could be a simple setting in the PlayStation 5. So we want to go up to the top and go to settings, and then scroll on down, and we want to go to where it says screen and video. Select this. Now you actually won't find it under here. We want to go to where it says system, and we want to go to HDMI. And then under here we have these like 3 different options. This is enable HDMI device link, and if you turn on your TV, it's going to connect your PlayStation 5 to the HDMI, and it's going to allow you to control your PlayStation 5 with like your TV remote. And this will also turn off your PlayStation if you turn off a device, or if you turn it on, it's going to turn on it as well. So you can see I can move up and down with the TV remote because it's connected with HDMI device link. So sometimes you might have an issue where you like turn off the sound bar or something like that, and then it turns off your PlayStation 5 as well. So you can see these options. This is enable one touch play. If you turn on your PS5, the Connect device will also turn on and switch to the input of PS5. This one right here is the one you probably want to turn off. Enable power off link. If you turn off this device connected to your PS5 will enter rest mode, so you can uncheck mark this. Then go to the left and go down to power setting, and you might have some sort of setting on here as well turn on, where it's just putting your PlayStation 5 into rest mode. So during media playback, I have it set to 4 hours, and then while playing games I have it set to 1 hour. So just look at those options. You should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.